In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a fully functional dropshipping store from scratch with winning products already loaded, a supplier already connected, and everything set up so you can start making sales today. Now, I've personally done over 7 figures in e-commerce sales. I've launched over 100 different stores, and the method I'm about to show you did not exist when I first started. If it did, it would have saved me months of wasted time. If you're somebody who's serious about starting an online business, pay attention, because this is the most streamlined and easiest way to do it in 2026. So real quick, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Colin and I've been in the e-commerce and dropshipping space for over 6 years now. I started from absolutely nothing, built it up, and now I run multi-7-figure businesses. I'm gonna give you guys the exact blueprint so you don't have to figure it out the hard way like I had to. Everything I'm about to show you is what's working right now. Not 2 years ago, not last year, right now in 2026. And just so we're clear on what dropshipping actually is, you're selling products online through your own store. You never have to hold any inventory. When somebody places an order on your store, your supplier ships it directly to the customer. Your job is to find products that people actually want, get them to your store, and make the sale. The margins are very solid, and the startup cost is basically zero compared to any traditional business. And you can run this from literally anywhere in the entire world. All right, now this is where things get good. AI is the tool that makes this whole 10-minute thing actually possible. And we're gonna be using a free AI tool called Build Your Store. And it is going to do in 2 minutes what used to take an entire weekend. Now, I'll leave the link down below in the description where you guys can get a free store as well. So here's exactly what you need to do step by step. So you're gonna wanna head to Build Your Store. This is a free AI store builder that'll do 99% of the heavy lifting for you when you're building out your brand new store. It automatically adds trending products and even connects a supplier directly to your store for you. So now we're just gonna start the process on building our free store. So now the first thing that we're gonna need to do is select a niche. All these niches work and they're all proven to sell. So if you have any preference on what niche you want to sell, maybe some personal experience in that niche, I would definitely recommend going with that one. But for the sake of this example, we're just gonna go with the pet niche. Now we can choose 2 banners to customize our store and make it look a lot more legit. Now, next up is to create our Shopify account. Shopify is where our store is going to live on, and it's essentially the backbone of our entire business. So we're just gonna sign up for Shopify and create a free account now. Now we're just gonna start our free trial on Shopify. Then it's gonna prompt you to sign up for only $1 for your first 3 months. So this is an insane deal and one of the only things that you actually need to pay for when starting your own dropshipping business. So we're just gonna go ahead and buy this right now. And we can select our plan, but all you guys will need is the basic plan right here. And then we can just click I'll do this later, since AI is gonna be doing everything for us. So now, after creating our Shopify account and signing up for our plan, we can now head back to Build Your Store and continue building out our brand new dropshipping store. So now it's just gonna ask us for our store URL. So we're just gonna head back to Shopify and copy and paste in our store URL and then click save right there. Then we'll just click done. Now it's telling us to grab our Shopify discount, which we already did in the last step. So we can just click access Shopify right here. And as you can see right here, we can just click the subscribe button and we are now all good to go. So we can head back to Build Your Store and click done right there. Now, this is where the magic happens. We're going to be installing the AI onto our brand new Shopify store. So we can just click install right there, then the install button one more time. Now we get to select our store type. You can go for a professional 1-product store, which is an expert design, ready to launch store, proven copywriting, sales funnel included, and fast US shipping with winning ads already ready. If you guys want to really take this serious, I highly recommend that you do this. But for the sake of this example, I promise to show you guys what you can get for 100% free. So we're just gonna go with the free beginner store. Now we're just gonna click this one button and AI is gonna customize our entire store for us. Now here's what makes this setup even more powerful. This is the part most people don't realize. When you build your store through Build Your Store, we can automatically connect AutoDS as your supplier and automation tool. You don't have to go out and find suppliers, vet them, negotiate with them, or figure out shipping times. That entire headache is handled for you from day one. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna click register to AutoDS and make an account on their platform as well. So after creating an account on AutoDS, you'll now be brought to this page right here, and your brand new Shopify store will already be connected. But AutoDS just isn't a supplier connection. It's basically your entire back end of your business on autopilot. Now let me show you exactly what I mean. AutoDS has automatic order fulfillment. Now this is huge. When a customer places an order on your store, AutoDS automatically purchases a product from the supplier, fills in all the shipping details, and sends a tracking number directly to your customer. You don't have to touch a thing. You don't have to manually go and place orders one by one like we used to years ago. It's completely hands-free. Now, for whatever reason, if you can't find your product on AutoDS in the marketplace, which they have millions and millions of products on, you can always head down right here and open a sourcing request. Now, AutoDS can pretty much source absolutely any product on the entire internet for you. Now they also have some pretty cool product research tools as well, as you can come over here and you can see what products are actually trending in the market in real time based off of real sales data. Now they also have this really cool tool. This one's personally my favorite, which is TikTok Analytics, which essentially shows you all of the top selling products on TikTok Shop right now, which is a great telltale sign if a product has a lot of potential to sell on your very own dropshipping store. Now look, when I first started doing this, none of these tools existed. I was manually placing every single order, having to find different suppliers for each product, and I had to purchase 3 different subscriptions for product research. It was a full-time job just managing the operations. Now the entire fulfillment side runs itself. You have product research tools and winning products just thrown at you. So if you're starting in 2026, this is an absolute massive advantage. So now we can just click done after registering for AutoDS and automatically connecting it to our brand new store. Now we can come over here, click store password, and remove our password on our dropshipping store, and we can actually see it live. So now our password is off and we can actually view our very live store right here. And as you can see, everything is built out. Our homepage is fully built. We have a bunch of super nice looking sections right here. And if we click shop now, we could see the product actually on our store. And we could see the product page entirely built out. Now this store is ready to go and ready to start making sales, which is absolutely crazy because we literally set this up in just a couple of minutes. We have tons of winning products already on our store, as you can see here, and all these products are proven to sell. Now at this point, your store is built, your niche is chosen, your products are already loaded in, your back end is set up. So now the focus becomes really simple. You need traffic, because this business really comes down to 2 things: getting the store live and then getting people to actually see it. Now that the setup is handled, your focus should be on getting attention. Now there are 2 main ways that I would recommend by doing that. Number 1 is organic content. This is the best place for most beginners to start because it costs absolutely nothing aside from your time. You can post TikToks, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or all the above. Now the type of videos that you're posting is the most important part. You want to engage the viewers, and some of the best videos to make are product demos, problem solution videos, TikTok made me buy it type of videos, satisfying clips, and all that kind of stuff. And the nice part is you don't need to show your face in any video if you don't want to. A lot of product content works without showing your face. What matters is consistency. You need to post, test, and see what people actually respond to. Now, option number 2 is paid ads. If you do have some sort of budget, paid ads could help you test a lot faster. Meta ads and TikTok ads are still 2 of the best platforms to do so, but your creative matters a lot. If it looks too much like an ad, people are just gonna scroll right past it. It has to feel native to the platform. Now, my honest recommendation though, start with organic first, because once the store is already built and the products are already loaded in, you can move straight into content. Post videos, see what gets traction, and use that feedback to decide what's actually worth scaling. That way, you're not just guessing, but you're using real data to back your decision. Now, before I wrap up this video, I want to be real with you. This makes getting started way easier, but it does not mean this is some magic button where you click it once and money starts falling out from the sky. You still need to test, you still need to market the store, you need to make content, and you need to learn what actually works. Your first store may not be the one that blows up and makes you a millionaire. That's totally normal. Most people who eventually get good at this did not crush it on their very first try. But that's not really the point. The point is, once you learn how to launch stores, test products, make content, and get traffic, that skill set really compounds. And every time you do it again, you get better and better. So don't look at this as a guaranteed shortcut to instant success, but look at it like the fastest way to get in the game and start learning. That's the real advantage with this whole AI thing. So guys, that's exactly how you can go from zero to a live dropshipping store way faster using Build Your Store, the free AI store builder, and then use AutoDS to help manage the entire backend of your business. If you've been stuck overthinking this whole process, my advice to you is very simple. Pick your niche, get your store live, and start testing. Now, if this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like on the video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want me to make more videos like this. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.